Third thing, to learn this technology of the world of artificial intelligence, don't directly jump on that. Do the pre-analysis. What is the step-by-step procedure to learn AI technology? So this is the step-by-step procedure or roadmap to learn the AI technology. That is, first we are going to learn Python, then data science means data analysis, then machine learning, deep learning, and AI. So the thing is that this is the roadmap. In the world of AI is the 5-floor building. To learn the artificial intelligence, I should have the roadmap to go that. For another example to you people, suppose we people went to New York, all of you and me went to New York. We haven't visited New York before. And someone asked us, you are not having the Google map and you should not supposed to ask anyone for the address help. And someone will tell you that you just by looking the board and direction from one point to other point you want to go. We will face difficulty or not? We cannot take the help, or we don't know how to go from one point to other point. Pune city, I came to Pune city, I don't know the roads of Pune. I want to go from one address to another. I am not taking the help of anyone. Not a cab, not a Google map and nothing. I want to go only on the basis of some directions. So will I go with the right path or what? Without any roadmap, you cannot achieve anything successfully and in a smart way. You will achieve, but you will get a lots of hard work, dedication, time wastage. If without roadmap and smart work, you will go. So this is the smart way to learn the AI technology roadmap. First of all, we will learn the Python programming language. There are many programming language available in the market. Python is one of them. Most dominant language in the market. So first step is to learn the Python for data science. Once we learn the Python for data science, then the second step is the data science or data analysis. The roles and responsibility of data science and data analysis is that raw data which we are talking in the previous slide, that is given to data science team. The data science team will, with the help of Python language, mathematics, will clean that raw data. The roles and responsibility of data science team is to clean the data, prepare the data. And that person, those who are doing is called as a data analyst in the company. The roles, as I said you, the cleaning of the data. After cleaning the data, that clean data is given to machine learning. Now this machine learning team is the world of algorithm. And the responsibility of machine learning team is applying the suitable algorithm to the clean data given by data analysis. So it is interdependent. As I already told you, all 4 words are different, having different roles and responsibility, but under the world of data. So machine learning responsibility is to apply the suitable algorithm to the clean data. Why I am using this word clean data? That's what industry knowledge is very important. Because if you will apply algorithm to any unclean data, output will be in the wrong way. So machine learning responsibility is applying the algorithm to the clean data. Algorithm will learn from the clean data and output will be model that we will learn. So that person is either data scientist or a machine learning scientist. It depends on company to company what designation they are giving. There are certain drawbacks of machine learning that is overcome by the deep learning. Deep learning is the world of neural network. And here also deep learning architectures are learning from the data and they are giving the outcome. That person again is called as a computer science, computer vision engineer, or a natural language processing engineer, or data scientist. Depend on company to company. They are giving this designation. And once you learn the deep learning, the floor of AI will open, artificial intelligence world. And the person, those who know everything, Python, data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, and AI, he or she is in the top position. They know how to do every kind of work. So they are getting either the job of AI architect, principal data scientist, or many roles are available. The main beauty of this data science world is that at every ladder, jobs are available. If you only learn Python, forget about the 4th ladder, all above 4, you will get the job of Python developer. If you will know up to the 2nd ladder, you are not knowing machine learning, deep learning, and AI, you will get the job of data analyst in the company. So this is the beauty of the world of data science. And these are the step-by-step procedure to learn the AI. And after learning this, in this slide now, we are introducing the 3 major terms: machine learning, deep learning, and AI. Now we know what is the data science because we are learning from that first slide to this slide, data science. Now machine learning, deep learning, and AI, 3 major terms. Roles and responsibilities what we are going to do in this. So let's check it. So this is the relationship between AI, machine learning and deep learning. AI is the bigger umbrella. Deep learning and machine learning are the subset of AI. Okay, so machine learning is the subset of AI, deep learning is the subset of machine learning. So as I told you, I am having the habit of teaching the technology from the only word. So artificial intelligence, 2 words, separate it. Artificial and intelligence. What is the meaning of that? Very simple. In the company, our responsibility is to provide intelligence to the machine artificially. Hence, it is called as artificial intelligence. In the other word, I can say, in the company, we are having the responsibility to make an intelligent machine which behave like human. Simple and sober, AI is finished in this line. We want to make intelligent human, that is AI. Artificial intelligence, and that machine may be anything. Either they are Alexa, Sophia robot, drone, robot, anything. That is AI. Then to learn AI, we need machine learning. Then what is machine learning? Again, 2 words, machine and learning, separate it. Machine is separate and learning is separate. Now I want to ask you people, you have heard the machine word many times in your life. What do you mean by machine? Tell me that. Machine means what? Machine may be, computer is one of the machine. Your mobile is one of the machine. Google car is one of the machine. Drone, Alexa. So there are n number of machines doing different tasks. So as machine learning, so break the machine learning into 2 parts, machine and learning. So there are n number of machines available in the market. But although in the world of machine learning, the word is used machine learning, but when we will go deeper in machine learning, we came to know algorithm is learning, not machine. That algorithm which learn from the data is fed in different machine for the operation. Hence machine learning. But in the deeper way, algorithm is going to learn from the data. So this is the world of machine learning. In the world of machine learning, algorithms are learning from the data. After learning from the data, algorithm will give certain output. That is called as a model in the world of AI. And that model is used for prediction for the future data. This is the line of machine learning. Algorithms are learning from the past data of any project. So past data, we are going to clean data plus algorithm is the process, and that algorithm is learned from the data. Output is a model. So that model we will give future data for the prediction. This is the machine learning. Again, that we are going to learn this in a very systematic way. And after that, as I told you, this equation is very famous. In the machine learning, I am constantly using the word clean data. Clean data plus algorithms is equal to model. This line is called as the world of machine learning. Algorithms is going to learn from the clean data, output is model. And as I said, that model is used for the prediction of future data. This is the world of machine. In this 2 line, machine learning world is finished. Okay, then we are going to learn algorithms in that. So clean data, who will provide the clean data to us? Quick question, who will provide clean data? Clean data is provided by data analyst. Who will apply the algorithm to clean data? Yes, I am constantly saying machine learning team responsibility is applying suitable algorithm to the clean data. Data analyst is the person will provide the data to machine learning team. Machine learning team knowing that this is the project, this is the clean data coming, which algorithm to apply, so machine learning team will apply the algorithm. So this line, clean data plus algorithm, is called as the machine learning. Algorithm is going to learn from that, output is a model. So this is machine learning. Okay, there are certain drawbacks of machine learning which is overcome by the world of deep learning. This is not a task of our today's topic. This is the another different world. Deep learning is the world of neural network inspired from the human brain. Again, here we are making the architecture. They are learning from the data and predicting for the future data, deep learning. Once you learn the deep learning, then the door of AI will open. And this is extremely important slide to understand the meaning of all 4 words that I am talking from the first slide. Data science, machine learning, deep learning and AI. Many people in the market are calling is the same. It is not same. Roles and responsibilities different. It is same in what context? It is under the world of data. That's it. but roles and responsibilities different. Data science or data analysis roles and responsibilities to clean the data. That is data analyst person. That clean data provided to machine learning and deep learning team. If you are solving that problem with the help of machine learning algorithm, apply the machine learning algorithm. If you are solving that problem with the help of deep learning architecture, apply that architecture. So the roles and responsibilities that applying the algorithm to the clean data. That is the roles and responsibility of machine learning and deep learning team to train the machine. Once they get trained, output is a model that is used for prediction. That prediction is given to AI team. This AI team will convert this prediction into certain action or intelligent machine. And this is all interconnected. So, and this data analysis team will clean the data because of what? Because of some language, means some tools. And that language and tools we are going to learn. Python is the language, guys. Python is an open source language. Or either you can do the data analysis by other terms also.